this Tom was coming to me, beautiful bird. As he's getting up close, 3 live hens dive into the field. He turns around, heads to them. They go all the way up to this middle of the field, and I watched him go clear over to the neighbors in the middle of their field. They're over there eating right now, or feeding. And yeah, here I sit waiting. Well, we might be in the game. Here comes the hen. I've got a Tom coming. Pretty sure this is the one I had here this morning. Come on, man, see my decoy. Alright, you seen the decoy? It's game on. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Let's see what we got. Oh, buddy. You guys make me work every year. That's a wrap on the 2026 turkey season.
Alright, here we go. 17 and a half.
18-7. Suckered in the claw.
Oh, fuck, man. You brought him right in. I mean, when you quit using it. Yeah.